Welcome back to Learning with a Difference News Headlines in English for School Morning Assembly. And first of all, national news. In a first for Rajasthan state to get two tigers from Madhya Pradesh. Bangalore reported first Fox case of 2025 in 40-year-old man with travel history. Ex-Uttarakhand Chief Minister Harish Rawat's name missing from voters list. 4 in 5 employers reported difficulty finding skilled talent in 2025, a report said. Uber Ola got notices over iPhone Android differential pricing claim. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri to begin two-day China visit on January 26. Mahakumbh crossed 10 crore milestone for pilgrims bathing at Sangam. DRDO to showcase Raksha Kavach theme in Republic Day parade. Stay united for Viksit Bharat, PM Modi on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's birth anniversary. Now, international news. Jared Petro has been appointed as the acting administrator of NASA. US judge to hear state's bid to block Trump birthright citizenship order. President Trump was letting us states handle own disasters. Kai Trump offered inside look at grandfather's inauguration. Cool day. Storm Eowyn, UK under red alert. Flight said to be disrupted. Bangladesh freed 178 troops who were detained over deadly 2009 mutiny. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri to begin two-day China visit on January 26. China's artificial sun reached 100 million degrees for record 1000 seconds. And now some sports news. Madison Keys celebrated after defeating Iga Swiatek. Rocky Flintoff, son of England legend Andrew Flintoff, broke father's record. ICC Chairman Jay Shah inducted into World Cricket Connect's advisory board. Indian Davis Cup team began preparations for Togo tie. And that's all in news. Thank you.